Hi friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make die mini care mixie grinder. So let's start the video. Now take a piece of paper and make a small rolls as shown in the video. Here I am using A4 size papers for making mixie grinder. Now apply glue and close it. Make total 4 rolls as shown in the video and connect with one another as shown in the video. Apply glue and connect with one another. Here I am making total 4 rolls. Now rolls are ready. Now take a 5mm paper strip and apply glue neatly around the paper as shown in the video and wrap around the rolls. It will be the base for mixie grinder. Wrap it around the rolls as shown in the video. Here I am using only A4 size papers. Now wrapping is completed. Now take another piece of paper and apply glue neatly and wrap around the rolls to cover the rolls. Cover it neatly without any gaps with the help of paper. Now wrapping is completed. With the same procedure I have taken repeat the same procedure for another this paper roll. Connect with one another, attach it. Now I have wrapped another paper around the rolls. Now take a piece of paper and apply glue and connect in the middle part of the paper and cut on the 4 edges with the help of scissor. Here I am using only A4 size papers for making mixie grinder. Cut on the 4 edges as shown in the video. Now apply glue on the 4 edges as shown in the video and close it one by one on the 4 edges neatly without any gaps. It will be the base for mixie grinder. Now base is ready. Now join 5mm 14 strips and take a Fevicol cap and make small dome in the middle part with the help of cap and make a dome shape as shown in the video. Make a dome shape. Make little bit bigger and make little pinch on the 4 edges to give a box look and paste like this. Now apply glue around the dome neatly with the help of brush. Do it slowly when you are spreading glue. After drying, apply glue and connect to the base. Now base mixie grinder will be ready. Connect it neatly. Remove the excess glue. Let it dry for some time. After drying, it will be like this. Now base mixie grinder is ready. Now join 3mm one strip and make a tight coil. Here I am making button for mixie grinder. Now join 3mm 3 strips and make a small roll and apply glue and attach on the back side of the mixie. Now take a piece of paper and apply glue and make small roll like this and roll it like this with the help of hands. It will give a wide shape. Here I am making wide for mixie wire. Press as much you want. It will give a wide look. Now take a 3mm paper strip and apply glue as shown in the video and wrap it around the wire. Here I am using only one strip for wrapping and make a tight coil and wrap it like this and make a tight coil. Now tight coil is ready. Now wire is also ready. Now again join 5mm one strip. Here I am making plug for mixie grinder. Make a small tight coil and press in a triangle shape as shown in the video. It will give a plug look. And connect this plug to the wire. Now wire is ready for mixie grinder. Now apply glue to the tight coil and connect to the mixie grinder like this. Let it dry for some time. After connecting, it will be like this. It will be the wire for mixie grinder. Now again join 5 mm 5 strips and take a OHP sheet. Here I am making juice jar. You can use Fevibond to stick it fastly around the tight coil like this. Use Fevibond better for sticking OHP sheet. Here I am using for making juice jar like this. Use Fevibond for sticking OHP sheet. Now join 20 mm half strip and connect in the middle part of the jar like this. Here I am making juice jar. Now join 3 mm 6 strips and make a tight coil and make little bend as shown in the video, little dome shape like this. It will be the cap for juice jar and apply glue around the tight coil. Apply neatly. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect to the jar like this. Now jar is ready. Now again join 3 mm one strip and make a tight coil. Make a loose tight coil. Here I am making handle for jar. Make a loose and give a shape like this. In a handle shape like this. And apply glue and close it like this. I am using 3 mm for handle making and make little bend like this. Now handle is ready. Now apply Fevibond and connect to the juice jar like this. It will take some time. Let it dry. After drying, it will be like this. Now juice jar is ready. Place it on the middle of the mixie grinder. Now juice jar is ready. Here I am using only A4 size papers. Now join 3 mm 14 strips and make a deep dome shape as shown in the video. Do it slowly and make little bit press on the down part. Now apply glue inside the dome. Here I am making jars for mixie grinder. Apply glue, let it dry for some time. With the same procedure, I have made 3 mm 12 strips jar and 3 mm 10 strip jar. Small, medium, big. I have made total 3 jars. 14, 12, 10. 3 mm I am using. Now making caps for jar like this. Apply glue. It will be the caps for jar and apply glue and spread it neatly. It will be the caps. Join 3 mm 12 strips, join to 3 mm 14 strips and join 3 mm 10 strips. Small, medium and big. After drying, now connect small one to the small one, medium one to the medium one and big one to the big one. Like this. Now jars are ready. Now join 3 mm 5 strips and make total 3 tight coils, 5 strips, 5 strips, 5 strips. And apply glue to the jars and connect these tight coils on the down part to give a jar look. Repeat same process for all the jars and I have connected handles for all the jars. I have repeated same procedure for making juice jar like this. Now take another piece of 3 mm paper strip and wrap it like this. Here I am making knives, inside knives for of jars where it will grind inside, and take a scissor and cut cross on the 2 edges like this. Make total 2 and make small 2 mm tight coils half strip. Connect like this and connect another paper like this. Repeat same procedure for another one. Now connect another one small tight coil of 2 mm like this. Now inside knife grinder is ready. Now connect this knife grinders inside the jars like this. Here I am using only A4 size papers for making mixie grinder. Connect to the all 3 jars like this. Let it dry for some time. Now close it. Now check once all jars are placing in the mixie like this. So it is ready. Now again join 3 mm half strip and apply glue and close it. Here I am making legs for mixie grinder. On the fourth side I have pasted and I have colored it, and I have painted the whole mixie grinder with white and red combination like this to give a nice mixie look. I have added color to the wire also to give a nice look like this. Here I have used only acrylic colors, and I have colored the jars also, silver color and white color combination jars. Now I have colored white color to the jars to give a nice more look. Here I am using only acrylic colors. I have painted inside the jars also. Now place the jars like this, one by one mixie grinder. I have made total 4 jars, juice jar and small, medium and big jars like this. It is looking super cute. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like my videos, share with your family, friends, and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.